Good morning, everyone. My name is Warrant Officer Class 2 Campbell. My first name is Natasha, and I'm a member of the British Army. And today we are at London Horse Guards. As you can see behind me, you will see the Blues, who are part of the Blues and Royals, the Household Cavalry, and they are the King's Lifeguards. So growing up, I've always either wanted to be a soldier back home in the Caribbean. With Jamaica being part of the Commonwealth, we're entitled to join the British Army. So that is how I then got an opportunity, which was offered to me to come and serve. And 26 years down the line, I am still here. Protecting your country, it's a great honor. It gives you discipline. Like every job, it has ups and downs, but you get to travel the world. You get to see many countries and many cultures and get to meet many people from different walks of life. Being a soldier is about protecting, making sure there's peace in that country. It's not about violence fighting. For instance, you have countries that do poaching and stuff. We carry out an anti-poaching exercise where we go to protect like the rhinos, the elephants, so that the people can't take away their tusk and sell it. WWII Day is very important. It's to honor all those who served before us and risked their life for us so that we are here today. With the veterans who are still remaining, I would like to say to them, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you so much for what you did then. Wishing you good health going forward, that you live to see many more years still. And for those who've passed away, who gave their life for us, it's a gratitude, thanking them that they lead the way so that soldiers like myself, look up to them to carry on the work that they started all those years ago. I hope you all enjoy your morning assembly. Happy WWII Day, everyone.